my Defiant 2. I've hooked it up to my compressor here. Just tape that little gauge there. Follow the hose back. I was worried about getting stuff from the compressor in, so I purchased this little filter right here. You guys can see that. It was only $11 up at Home Depot. Yeah. It says right there. It's not the most powerful compressor, but it still works. I had to take off the gauge where I can turn the pressure up, so I have to go buy something else so I can do that. So I might be able to put more pressure into it, but now I'll shoot my gun, see what it's like. Sorry for the crappy video quality from my phone. There we go. I am using reballs, so that might be a reason for the bad quality or the bad speed too.